Pretty sure all of them got caught on those barrels. It won't come up.
There they all go.
Wow! Ooh, an item. Ooh, boy, turpentine. Turpentine.
Dude, buff. If you're gonna fight him again, buff it up.
Should I even fight him again?
If you want. I mean, give it another try. Screw it.
I have another try. I have
I
infinite
mean,
tries.
just give it another try.
Fucking attack me, you asshole! Oh, not like that. Dude, it's fucked up. I can't like. I can't roll away. Huh?
He ate some grass.
The spear guy. Oh my god, the spear guy. If I hit his block, there's no way for me to roll in time to get away from his next attack. I just get fucked.
Yeah, well, that's the commitment of a heavy, big weapon.
Fucking commit this fucking dick in your mouth. Fuck you. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. I'm gonna die. Fucking arrow!
This guy doesn't even react.
Fuck that guy. He fucking healed again! I'm gonna die to him. I'm gonna die to this guy. This guy's going to kill me. Like, what do you mean? He's in a charge-up animation.
I think you missed, and you hit him with like your lingering hit.
I'm getting hit by an arrow.
I'm pretty sure this game has sour spots if you like miss your attack.
I'm gonna. Fuck you. Oh, fucking asshole.
Well, give you two. At least he gave me 2 more grass. Every time you kill him, he gives you 2 grass.
True.
Honestly, you're better off before fighting this guy, beating the first boss, so you can actually.
Yeah,
use
I'm gonna say I'll kill this guy after I level up. Okay. Alright, I'll come back. I'm gonna edit in a little thing that circles my fucking character and says fat loser.
What are you talking about?
Nothing. Ultra pussy. I thought that was a cliff for some reason.
It's asking. He's gonna blow himself up. You walk close. Get away from it. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, he survived. What a toss.
Get the fuck you asshole.
They're really underwhelming if they don't hit a giant barrel.
You out? Are you...
He doesn't know what he wants to do.
What the fuck, dude?
He doesn't know how to use. He's trying to figure out his controls still. Just block. How do I swing?
Button testing.
No, he's just watching. Oh, he's a halberd. No shield. You know how to fight this guy. You fought him before.
I know how to fight this guy. Dude's holding fucking grass. Can't see shit.
Check the other way first.
This is obviously a secret.
No, this is obviously the way to go.
Good day to you. Care to look over my way? Mostly stolen, but who's telling you?
What you got? I'll just buy the damn helmet. If I buy the chest, it's not even that big of an upgrade, so... No, you don't have fucking decks, so...
Thanks.
I mean, you probably get Dex after the boss, right? You just come back here anyway. Not like he's gonna go anywhere.
Yeah. NPCs in Souls games never move, so.
That room's gonna blow up.
Who's fucking breathing over here? They're telling me to use fire. That's a secret door. Big
The secret
reveal.
has been revealed.
Big fucking reveal, dude. Look, it's stepping stones. I did it.
Just re-put a message.
Oh, hey. Oh, wow! Wow! Hold on. Dude, this weapon sucks.
I think you just suck.
Do you, though?
Please, I want this guy to drop a helmet. That'd be really funny if this guy just drops a helmet.
Yeah, I got like a stylish helmet, you know?
Yeah.
This guy needs to stop breathing.
Three more enemies. Jump down, please.
There's where the archer is. Wow. Any loot for me? Any loot? Who's fucking breathing like that?
It's probably the boss.
What? Money.
You're gonna walk up these stairs, a boss.
It's this guy.
Yeah. There's the same guy in front of the fog wall before.
I know. You fucker.
Push his ass.
Got his ass.
No more breathing, finally. His sinuses are cleared.
I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to push him. I gotta go down there.
Finish the job you started.
The fuck did he land? There he is. Or took fucking 2 damage from falling. Give me your loot! Yes, well,
You know, like, you don't take damage at all, and then you hit one. You hit, like, you go from,
Well,
like,
that's Elden
falling
Ring.
20 feet to 21 feet, and then you take 80% of your HP bar.
That's Elden Ring.
Well, that's all the Souls games are like.